Hello friends, welcome back to our English learning video. Today we are going to learn 50 easy English synonyms. Are you ready? Let's learn and have fun together. Let's get started. Happy, glad, big, large, small, little, fast, quick, smart, clever, beautiful, pretty, angry, mad, sad, unhappy, easy, simple, hard, difficult, begin, start, end, finish, reach, wealthy, brave, courageous, kind, gentle, angry, furious, old, ancient, new, fresh, clean, neat, dirty, filthy, quiet, silent, loud, noisy, sick, ill, gift, present, help, assist, ask, question, poor, needy, hate, dislike, speak, talk, big, huge, smart, intelligent, small, tiny, fast, repeat, beautiful, gorgeous, strong, powerful, finish, complete, help, aid, choice, select, answer, reply, make, create, hide, conceal, give, provide, jump, leap, cry, weep, shout, yell, near, close, honest, truthful, walk, stroll. Great job, everyone. Today we learn 50 English synonyms. How many words do you remember? Please subscribe my channel. Keep learning and keep smiling. See you in the next video. Bye.